Experiencing call issues with Boost Mobile, such as dropped calls, blocked calls, or general call errors, can be frustrating. This section provides a systematic approach to diagnosing the root cause. First, evaluate your network signal strength using apps like Signal Strength or Boost Mobile's built-in diagnostic tools. A signal below 9 is 100 dBm indicates poor coverage. Confirm that your device is compatible with Boost's network, particularly regarding VoLTE support. Outdated phone firmware can also cause call failures, so ensure your device is up to date. Then, verify your account status and billing information, as low balances or expired plans can lead to call blocking. Lastly, differentiate between error types. Dropped calls often result from network congestion or tower handoff failures, while blocked calls may indicate spam filters or blacklisted numbers. Now that you've diagnosed potential causes, let's move to troubleshooting and resolving call problems on Boost Mobile. We'll cover basic solutions, advanced diagnostics, and recent network improvements. Start with basic solutions. Restart your device to clear temporary glitches and reset network settings to fix connectivity issues. This often resolves common call problems. Next, use Boost Mobile's app, which now includes AI-powered diagnostics. This tool can analyze your connection in real time and suggest fixes automatically. For network-related issues, explore Boost Mobile's coverage map to find areas with improved 5G coverage. Upgrading to a 5G plan can significantly decrease dropped calls due to better bandwidth. If you suspect a faulty SIM card, visit a Boost Mobile store for a replacement. Faulty SIMs can cause call blocking and connectivity errors. For persistent issues, use advanced diagnostic codes such as *4636 on your phone to test connectivity and access testing menus. In 2025, Boost Mobile has enhanced its network through infrastructure improvements and partnerships. By systematically following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to resolve the majority of call-related problems.